Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a hotel on the Austrian application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. And then you should tap on the Plan button. Then click on Hotel and Transfer. After that, you should wait till you are logged in, and then you should scroll down to the Hotel section and tap on Book Hotel Now. And you will be directed to a page where you can search for destinations, properties and addresses. So you should add your current location into that first section, and here you can find a bunch of hotels available. You can apply filters if you would like to do so. Tap on the filter button and select your budget. You can add these popular filters, health, safety. You can apply filters in terms of property type, such as apartments, guest houses, and so on. And then click on the Show Results button after applying all your preferences, and then you will be able to browse among all of the relevant results. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.